Shapewear sizing can vary from one piece to another. In this video, we will show you how to choose the right size step by step. You can find your size in two simple ways. The first option is by using the size guide if you already know your measurements in centimeters or inches. The second option, which is the quickest and easiest, is the Smart Fitting Room. All you need to do is enter your height, weight, and age. The AI will estimate the most suitable measurements for your body shape. But before you see the final results, there's an important step. You can adjust the body shape to make it look closer to your actual body shape for more accurate results. Once completed, your estimated size and measurements will appear based on the information provided. You can also edit the measurements manually whenever you want. And if needed, you can always go back, update your information, or restart the process easily. Now, your size is ready, but that's not all. The Smart Fitting Room will also explain what could happen if you choose a different size. If you go for a smaller size, you will notice orange or red indicators showing areas that may feel too tight. And if you choose a large size, the system will highlight areas that may feel loose instead. That's why the recommended size from the Smart Fitting Room is the best choice, helping you shop with more comfort and confidence.